Hi friends, so I got this replacement of the Noise QI wireless charger which was having some issues, so I'll be unboxing this again and I'll show you if this is better device than that which we got. Okay, let's open it real quick and let's see what all is there. So we have this, so the receipt, nothing else. I don't know what is this, why they have given me this. Okay, so in this it says 2,999. I purchased it in 2,000 rupees on Amazon. I'll share you the link below. Noise QI wireless charger. Let's open this real quick. Let's see what's there in the box. In the early box also we got this Noise QI charger, the leaflet which says what and how it works. So we have the same manual. The device is compatible with all QI enabled device and says device needs another charging receiver which is there in iPhone 10. Let's open the box quickly and see what's there. Okay, it's the same, the pad, the charging pad, and nothing else. The box, let's keep this aside and see, and let's unrubber it. So this is 10 watt. This is the zinc alloy which helps you in reheating the phone. It mentions that wireless charging pad, model GI, input 5 volt 2 amperes, output 5 volt 1 ampere max. Standard is QI. The company name is Haven Technology HK Co Limited, made in China. Sorry, okay, it's Heaven, but we call it as Yuan Studios, designed by Yuan Studios. It's a leather type of finish in which it is mentioned noise. The product is from Go Noise. Let's quickly put it into the adapter which I have from the iPhone 10. Let's put this here, and as soon as you put the adapter into the wire socket, in the wall socket, and just let's place this like this, it starts charging. You can see that it's charging. Now when it starts charging, there will be a difference in the LED. It will turn blue, green, blue, green to indicate that yes, it's charging. The device will charge in max to 2.45 hours. And the best part of this charger, what I feel is it's really compact. It's compact, the build quality is good, the wire is entangle free, and it's directly attached. So this is one con, which is this. So if this is broken, you cannot use this anymore. Apart from that, the device is good, the charging pad is good. They have given you a rubber finish at the bottom so that when you place it on the surface, it does not move and you don't end up spoiling or breaking your device. Apart from this, this is a fair good device in 2,000 bucks. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe my channel. Give a thumbs up for the video. Thank you so much.